You want unsexy? Of course, I'm the queen of unsexy. Not messing around, we're going straight into it. Boric acid suppositories. Let me tell you about the wonders of these. If you are someone who gets frequent UTIs, this. If you are someone who is worried about odor, cleanliness, freshness, this. So you use them, like, listen, for me, I got them for UTIs. I get UTIs on the regular, and whenever I possibly think one could be coming, in one of these goes. This is a great thing to do if you are active in the intimacy department. Use this after. It keeps everything so squeaky, clean, and fresh. I highly recommend. Cannot recommend enough. Glass cuticle remover and pusher. So I have been doing my own nails. Yes, I'm doing my own manis. This is a life changer. When I tell you, like, you use that little glass tip and you get in there, you can't believe what comes off. It's like skin and stuff. Like, it's just, it makes that cuticle area so clean. There's nothing like this. I own a $200 Mason Pearson hairbrush, and this is my favorite. I cannot tell you, first of all, it feels so good. It's called Detangle and Massage Brush, and it really does feel like a massage, but it is just the most beautiful hairbrush to get any knots, any tangles out of your hair. It really just leaves it soft and flowy, and it's $14. Bag bomb. So I'm Canadian. I grew up riding horses, and this was a staple at the ranch I grew up on, but they used it for everything. Absolutely everything. Can be used for cuts, mosquito bites, diaper rash, any type of rash. How I use it often is actually I use it as a little bit of a highlighter. There are so many of those expensive glowy highlighters. I take a little bit of this. It's amazing. Another thing I do is I actually will mix this with a blush and create my own cream blush. Let me show you. Okay, so I'm just grabbing the littlest amount of the bag balm. You do not need a lot. And then take a lipstick. I'm using Bobbi Brown. I can't read the color because I'm blind, but if you really want the color, let me know in the comments. And I'm literally just going to take a little bit of the lipstick, put it on my cheeks like that, take the bag balm, rub it between my fingers, and just work it into that lipstick. And you are left with the absolute most gorgeous, like, highlight. I mean, come on. Come on. I will link as many of these as I can find in my Amazon store so that you don't have to run around and go digging for them. Thanks for asking. I love the unsexy.